Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the Phys Maths concept. This is Shamsa Jabeen and we are solving Cambridge IGCSE Physics Paper 2 multiple choice October-November 2025 with the code 0625222. In this video we will solve question number 15 of this paper. So let's read the question. A lamp has a metal filament that glows when heated by the electric current. The middle of the filament is at very high temperature. Okay, the end of the filament is connected to the base of the lamp and are cooler. Okay, which statement is correct? Some thermal energy is conducted to the base of the lamp. Okay, seems right. the filament radiates energy equally to all parts along the length. No, if it radiates, that one end is not at high temperature and one is at the cooler one, then the lamp transfer all the input energy as visible light. No, we know that there is also the heat energies. When the potential difference across the filament is half, the power output is halved. P is equals to V square by R, right? If voltage is potential difference is halved, it become 1 by 4, not half. So it is also wrong. It's mean the correct option is A. Some thermal energy is conducted to the base of the lamp. Okay, now come to the question number 16. A liquid passes through the pipes inside the refrigerator. The liquid warms as the inside of the refrigerator cools. The warm liquid is then passed through the pipe to the outer side of the refrigerator to cool it before it goes back in through the refrigerator. Okay, the diagram shows the two designs of the outside cooling pipe. One design has copper rods called fins. Okay, these are the fins attached to the pipe. The outside pipe and the fins can be painted silver and black. We have two options, either the silver one or the black ones. Which design outside the pipe will cool the liquid most quickly? Okay, if we talk about the color, we know that black is a good absorbent, right? It absorbs the light and also it's a good radiators, right? But we know that silver is a poor absorber. Okay, it means that we must, if we talk about the color, we must choose which color we need to choose? Black, right? So you can see we have option B, A and B for the black. Silver one is cancelled. Okay, then for the fins we can see it will increase the surface area, right? And because of that way, high surface area will will cool down the water much more quickly than the without fins, right? So it means painted black with fins. So which option is correct? A. Okay, next one. An earthquake monitoring station records the arrival of 16 complete wavelengths of an earthquake in a time 20 seconds. Okay, speed is given and we need to find out the wavelength. Okay, so which one is given? The 16 complete wavelengths for 20 seconds, right? So if I write for 20 seconds we have 16 wavelengths. So for 1 second it is 16 divided by 20, right? You can write down. Yes. Okay, it comes out 0.8. Yes. Okay, basically this is frequency. We know that frequency is number of wavelengths per unit time, means in 1 second how many wavelengths pass. We can calculate it. We get in 1 second it is 0.8 wavelengths pass. Okay, so for finding a lambda we use the formula V equals to F lambda, lambda equals to V by F. Just substitute the values. We know V is 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 because of the kilometers, right? We convert it to the meters by multiplying it with 1000 divided by 0.8 and we get the answer 7.5 into 10 raised to the power 3. So you can see this is the right option, D. Students, I hope these questions are clear. We will do the next question in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.